Hi guys, this is BV. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'll show you how I apply gel polish on nail extensions and create a chrome French finish. I'm starting by cutting down the long nail extensions. This helps me adjust the length according to my preference. Next, I'm shaping the nails. I gently file them to get a clean and even shape. Shaping is important for a neat and professional look. After shaping, I clean the nails using nail polish remover. This removes dust and oils from the surface. It also helps the products stick better to the nails. Now I'm starting with a base coat. Apply a thin and even layer on all nails. Cure the base coat under a UV LED lamp. Make sure it's fully cured before moving to the next step. Now, I'm applying a nude gel polish. Start with a thin layer and spread it evenly. After applying 3 coats, I noticed some bubbles on the surface. So I lightly buff the nails to smooth out the surface. Buffing helps remove bubbles and creates an even base again. That actually looks really beautiful here. I hope I can stop here and let this matte look final, but I have a different plan about this video. So I'll make a separate video for a matte finish soon. Now I'm applying a 4th coat of nude gel polish. This helps achieve better coverage and a smooth finish. Once I'm happy with the result, I cure the nail again. Proper curing is important for long-lasting results. Next, I'm placing French nail strips on all nails. This helps create a clean guideline for the chrome design. Make sure to apply the top coat on the area where the chrome powder goes. Cure the top coat slightly to create a tacky layer. This step is important for the chrome powder to stick properly. I did that step behind the camera. Now, I'm taking a small amount of chrome powder. You only need a little product for each nail. Using an applicator, I gently rub the chrome powder on the tips. Focus only on the exposed section created by the French strips. Use soft rubbing motion while applying. This helps achieve that smooth, mirror-like chrome finish. Make sure the powder is evenly applied on all nails. Take your time for a clean and precise look. Once done, gently dust off or clean the excess powder. This keeps the nails neat and clean. Now, I carefully remove the French nail strips. You'll see a sharp and clean chrome French line. Next, I'm sealing the design with a top coat. Apply it evenly over the entire nail surface. Make sure to seal the edges properly for long-lasting wear. Finally, cure all the nails under the lamp one by one. This locks in the chrome powder and adds a glossy finish. Now, everything is completed. I'm cleaning any remaining residue from the nails. And that's it. Your chrome French nails are complete. They look smooth, shiny, and super elegant. Perfect for a classy and modern nail look.